Welcome, culinary adventurers, to the vibrant world of homemade guacamole. There's a unique joy that comes from crafting this delightful dip right in your own kitchen. Not only is it a treat for your taste buds, but also a brilliant way to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. So, what do we need to embark on this culinary journey? The ingredients are simple and fresh. You'll need ripe avocados, juicy tomatoes, crisp onions, fragrant cilantro, zesty lime, and a dash of salt. Choosing ripe avocados is the first crucial step. You're looking for a soft but not mushy feel under the skin. The avocado should yield to gentle pressure, indicating that it's just ripe and ready to become delicious guacamole. The next step is to cut and mash the avocados. Slice them lengthwise around the seed, twist the halves apart and use a spoon to scoop out the flesh. Then, with a fork or a masher, gently mash the avocados. Remember, texture is key. A good guacamole is creamy with a slight chunkiness. Now, it's time to add the complementary ingredients. Dice some tomatoes and onions, chop a handful of cilantro, and squeeze the juice of a lime. Add these to your mashed avocados along with a pinch of salt. This blend of flavors is what gives guacamole its unique, zesty kick. Mix everything together, adjusting the consistency as you go. Want it chunkier? Mash less? Prefer it smoother? Mash a little more. This is your guacamole after all. Midway through our culinary adventure, remember these key tips. Choose ripe avocados, don't overmash, and adjust the flavors to your liking. Now it's time for the most essential step: tasting. Grab a chip or a spoon and dive in. Does it need more lime? A little more salt? Adjust the flavors until it's just right for your palate. Finally, serve your homemade guacamole and enjoy. Whether it's with tortilla chips on toast or as a topping on your favorite dish, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making delicious homemade guacamole. With these simple steps and a little bit of creativity, you're well on your way to becoming a guacamole guru. So go ahead. Embrace the joy of cooking and create your own guacamole delight. Happy cooking!